If you have a short natural hair and you're looking for that simple go-to hairstyle that you can achieve in few minutes, then this is a video that you'll love to see to the end. If this is your first time stopping by this channel, I say you're welcome, because this is one of the channels that you will love to be, and I am equally happy to have you on this channel. Do not forget to press the subscribe button so that you'll be up to date on my videos. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for coming back to see my video. My name is Oluwatosin, and in this video, as I said, let me quickly take you through the process of achieving this simple hairdo that you can just rock to that simple occasion without having to stress yourself that much. You can accessorize this hair with any hair accessory of your choice. Now let's get into the hairstyle. I am making this hairstyle with my hair in its shrunken state. You can make it on a pre-stretched hair or on your hair which is not stretched or not properly stretched. Now to the styling. So our health tip for this video: sleep. Sleep is actually one of the things that you want to inculcate into your habits if you want to see your hair grow and flourish very well. Research has shown that sleeping at least 7 to 9 hours will boost your hair growth. So you want to try this out and let me know the results. Thank you for staying till the end of this video, because I know that you would love to rock this beautiful, elegant, simple hairstyle. Thank you and God bless you.